Sunway Resort Hotel in Malaysia is a famous tourist spot. In this video, we will take you on a room tour of Sunway Resort Hotel and also explore the famous Sunway Lagoon Theme Park. We are staying at Sunway Resort Hotel, which is located in the heart of Petaling Jaya suburb. Let's start with the breathtaking view of the hotel and its surroundings. As we step inside the room, we are greeted by a spacious area decorated in warm, inviting colors. The room boasts a large, comfortable double queen bed that is sure to provide a good night's sleep after a long day of travel or sightseeing. In addition to the bed, the room also features a sleek workspace for those who need to catch up on work while away from the office. The modern interior design of the room is complemented by the latest amenities, such as a high-definition LED TV, complimentary Wi-Fi, and a mini fridge stocked with refreshments. All of these elements come together to create a space that is both stylish and functional, ensuring that guests want for nothing during their stay. The flat-screen TV in the room provides access to several local and international channels, so whether you want to catch up on the news or enjoy a movie, you are spoiled for choice. The spacious bathroom comes with all the amenities that you need, including a hairdryer, towels, and complimentary toiletries, ensuring that you have a refreshing shower or bath after a long day. All these room amenities make your stay at our hotel a memorable one. The vanity area is spacious, well lit, and equipped with high-quality products to pamper yourself. The shower area boasts a rain shower head that gives you an exceptional experience of bathing. The bathroom is equipped with additional amenities such as a hairdryer, telephone, and a bidet. Now, let's take a look at the closet. This simple and compact rack provides a convenient space to hang our clothes, keeping them organized and easily accessible. It's great for keeping our outfits wrinkle-free and ready to wear. Slippers. Next, we have a safe box, an essential item for any hotel room. This compact safe provides a secure place to store our valuables. Touch light, iron, The hotel has very big water park, is the perfect place to go for a refreshing dip after a long day. It's also a great spot for soaking up the sun and relishing the tranquil atmosphere. Relax in the luxurious cabanas or simply lounge by the pool on the chic sun loungers. Kids can enjoy various games and wet activities in the safe children's pool, and moms and dads can also have quick fun in different swimming pools. The pool's slide and water toys will leave kids exhilarated. Similarly, adults can take a break and enjoy the breathtaking panoramic view of the pool and surroundings.
Let's go in the inside.
Okay.
Let's go!
Good morning, everyone. Today, we're in for a delightful breakfast experience at the Resort Cafe Sunway Resort Hotel. Join me as we explore the delicious offerings and inviting atmosphere of this renowned restaurant. While the breakfast buffet offers a wide range of international dishes, don't miss the opportunity to try some of the restaurant's specialty items. Whether it's the local delicacies, signature dishes, or chef's creations, there's always something unique to satisfy your taste buds.
Yes, a little far. Oh my god, that look done.
Welcome to Sunway Lagoon, Malaysia's ultimate theme park destination. Today, we're in for an unforgettable adventure filled with thrilling rides, exhilarating water slides, and endless fun. Join me as we explore this incredible playground. Sunway Lagoon offers a variety of theme zones, each with its own unique attractions. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie, a water lover, or a family seeking exciting experiences, there's something for everyone here. Scream Park is the place to be if you love horror and thriller experiences. Here, you can experience the fear of haunted houses and ghostly encounters. We started our day at the water park, where we zoomed down water slides and floated lazily along the lazy river. The cool water was refreshing on such a hot day, and we couldn't help but feel like kids again as we splashed around in the pools. And that wraps up our incredible journey from hotel room tour to Sunway Lagoon Theme Park. If you're ever in Malaysia, make sure to add Sunway Resort Hotel and Sunway Lagoon Theme Park to your must-visit list. You can find the Sunway Lagoon ticket link in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel experiences. We hope you enjoyed our review. Thank you for joining us and see you in our next upload.